Today I'm making such an exciting recipe for you. Salmon tartare with guacamole and salsa. Using the Magimix Food Pro. For the salsa, I'm going to be using the small bowl. So, tomatoes and onions. And now we're going to pulse these bad boys. Now with the coriander and a good pinch of salt. Ooh, look at this. I'm now going to use my large bowl to make the salmon tartare. So we have chives, bell pepper, there we go, come on. This looks incredible. Look how simple that was. Okay, here we go. So fresh, all those flavors really complementing each other. I have paired this tartare with some guac that I made earlier. We've got the salsa. Run, don't walk. You've got to go make this now.